Maximus Tamur will present the result of our research entitled Hawthorne effect and mathematical software-based learning, and this is a meta-analysis study. I am from Universitas Katolik Indonesia Pulau Sudeng and co-author Departemen Ilmu Matematika Universitas Indonesia, Prof. Yaya Kusuma and Dr. Juandi. The introduction to this research is there have been many learning research experiments supported by ideas of mathematical software. Ideas of mathematical software is considered to affect student mathematical ability. However, previous studies investigating these theoretical assumptions have shown mixed results. The problem is there is need that education practitioners need accurate information to decide under what conditions the use of mathematical software will be effective in improving student mathematical ability. Highlighting this gap, there has been a lot of meta-analysis research to evaluate the use of computer software by examining variation and result from primary studies. It has been found that mediator variables such as study year, education level, sample size, and duration of treatment are related to the use of mathematical software in learning. However, there are no studies that specifically examine the Hawthorne effect related to the duration of treatment. This study focuses on examining whether the Hawthorne effect that occurs when students are encouraged to make a greater effort just because of the novelty of the treatment is related to the effect size of the study effect. The method. Generally, meta-analysis research follows the following stages. First, inclusion criteria. Study in Indonesia about the use of mathematical software. And 2, statistics needed, average, standard deviation, and sample size. Second, study search and coding data. 1, ERIC document. 2, Sage publication. 3, Google Scholar, and 4, searching manual from library source. And this stage found 134 studies examining the effect of using mathematical software. Based on the inclusion criteria, 40 primary studies that meet the eligibility to be analyzed, and 3 statistic analysis. Calculating the effect size for each primary study and the combined effect size. 2, conduction heterogeneity test and selection estimation model. And 3, check publication bias. And 4, calculate to the p-value to test the research hypothesis. And the result. Table 1 shows on comparison of meta-analysis results according to the model effect. First, heterogeneity test result that p-value more than chi-square, and base this calculate, then effect size between heterogeneous study, hence the random effect model is evaluated. Based on the random effect model, the overall effect size is 0.886, and this is point high level according to the Talmer and Cook category. And two, significant test result that we found Z count more than Z table, and this is mean is the application of mathematical software produces a large effect size and student on mathematical ability than conventional approach. Next, check publication bias. Figure 1 below show a research funnel plot. Based on the research funnel plot, the effect size is not completely symmetrical because it needs the help of the efficient value and Mullen formula. Based on the calculate of the efficient value, we found efficient value is 4,752. Based on Mullen formula, this value is 19.008, and this is value more than 1. Based on this calculation, the study include this in the meta-analysis was resistance to publication bias, and that is no studies were lost or needed to the add to the analysis as a result of publication bias. And final, a follow-up analysis to examine the Hawthorne effect is performed after it is known that the random effect model as the estimate model is constant. This means that the variation of effect size is evaluated from the identified mediator variable, which is the duration of the treatment, and the table shows a summary of the result of the analysis. Based on the table, we found key value more than T square, and then size of the effect between heterogeneous to the group. This finding is surprising because of the contradict the notion mathematical software incarceration and attract students' interest in learning. This finding clearly shows that the Hawthorne effect also occurs in learning that is supported by the mathematical software, and this fact is considered by education practitioners in using mathematical software in the future. Thank you. That's our presentation. Thank you for your attention.